What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Yuliverse project with their two tokens, the ARG token and the ART token. They're actually having an NFT airdrop event right now in collaboration with Mexc Global. We're going to talk about that too as well in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into the Yuliverse here. So it was just announced January 20th that they're having an event here. It says 30 Yuliverse NFT airdrop event. And there is information about that on Mexc Global's Twitter, at MEXC_global. It says complete the Gleam tasks to win 25 NFT airdrops, and they have a link to that. And this event is basically going on from January 20th, which was yesterday, all the way until January 27th at 11 a.m. UTC time. So you can check this out. It's a collaboration limited time giveaway. And you can view that on Mexc Global's Twitter. Now, if you want to find out information about what the Yuliverse is, you can head over to @the_Yuliverse on Twitter. It says public beta available now on iOS and Android. BNB Chain monthly stars in December. Ranked #1 on BNB Chain NFT, OpenSea Elements, and Tofu. And they have their official webpage on here, Yuliverse.com. They just joined in April 2022 on Twitter. 505 tweets, very active on Twitter, but they almost have 100,000 Twitter followers already. They're at 90,900 Twitter followers, so they're doing insanely well on Twitter here. Now, if you head over to Yuliverse.com, they have an NFT marketplace on there. They also have a link. It says Get Yuli NFTs. You can download their app from the App Store, Google Play Store. They have game information. It says public beta is live now, so you can check this game out. It's got features, characters, roadmap, token info, team, partners, and a full white paper as well. So it says an alternate reality metaverse. Yuliverse is an alternate reality metaverse which is parallel to the real world and brings you a new lifestyle. Meanwhile, it is also a game-based social application. Yuliverse currently has thousands of fantastic, exciting storylines. Under role-playing, players can obtain ARG tokens, ARG, and ART tokens, ART, by accomplishing these quests. So it doesn't say anything about, on Mexc Global's announcement, that the ARG or ART token is listed on Mexc, but I would assume it would be in the future. Now, if you guys don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Mexc Global is a great exchange, and they do all sorts of events, giveaways, contests, and they have all sorts of brand new tokens and coins listed on there all the time. Low fees, great exchange. So check out that Mexc Global referral code in the description box down there. So it says Yuliverse's economy is an economy owned by all players, and players can actually own, buy, sell, and trade items they earned in-game by playing and contributing to the economy. At the same time, the establishment of Yuliverse is inseparable from interaction among players. In Yuliverse, all behaviors that help to establish a good ecology will be rewarded. We hope that players can play, benefit, and make friends in Yuliverse and get real happiness, real benefits, and real friends from Yuliverse as well. So they have gameplay here. It says how to start. They have trial play and NFT characters, solo play, social play, world memories, and marketplace that you can check out. Let's skip down to the tokenomics here. So it says As a new Life Fi, which stands for finance, we will reward active players with alternative reality-based gameplay. Our economic system will be real, decentralized, and focus on the long run. The team does not mainly reward by selling in-game items or VIP services. We just build a metaverse for everyone in which the virtual assets belong to the players, which can be obtained by trading freely. Part of the transaction tax consumed in the game will be destroyed, and part will enter the community fund pool for use and redistribution in accordance with the community convention. So the ARG token, ARG, stands for Alternate Reality Gem, which is the output of Terra Purification, and it is a proof of players' activities and the main currency in the game. The use cases for the ARG token are character upgrades, enhancement chips upgrade, sanity item purchasing, Yuli Fedi gameplay, and Yuli breeding. So those would be NFTs, the Yulis. And then ART, stands for Alternate Reality Token, is the supreme honor of the Yuliverse. To push the promotion of the project, Yuliverse decided to issue a limited amount of ART tokens for incentives. The ART use cases are high-level characters upgrading item purchasing, high-level enhancement upgrading and purchasing, Yuli breeding item purchasing, advanced base building, and Agor land purchasing. So it says here, the allocation and unlock schedule. ART will be unlocked in a predetermined schedule, which lasts for 64 months. The initial circulating supply is set to a little bit over 84.4 million ART tokens, and it's split up. 30% goes to X to earn, 20% ecosystem, 10% community fund, 5% private A, 5% private B, 1% public sales, 4% marketing, 15% team, 10% foundations. So then it goes over the X to earn. You can check that out. So they go over each one of the token allocations on here. You can read about those separately. So in the roadmap, they're starting, excuse me, they're starting with game concept development, then game story development, game engine R&D, AI algorithm R&D, beta iterations, game upgrade and pre-marketing, then pre-launch and marketing, and then we got game launch. So all that's happened already. And then Q2 this year, we're going to have game community, Q3 game scale up, and Q4 UGC. So that's basically it. You can read about their team on the page here, on their white paper. Now, they have all sorts of partners available on their webpage as well. They're partners with Mexc Global, which leads me to believe that they will be listed eventually on Mexc Global, at least one of these tokens. And for now, they have that NFT contest that you can check out on Mexc Global as well. So check out that Mexc referral code down there if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Yuliverse? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.